Guys, so today we will be changing the intake on the Evo 10 intake and dropping HKS panel air filter. First we're gonna start by removing the factory intake tube which goes down to the turbo. We removed so we can get this out of the way. Next we're gonna have to remove this screw on the mass airflow sensor. I've already unplugged the airflow sensor and the battery so that there will be no damage done. After a lot of fighting up, finally got the turbo off, the intake hose off of the turbo, sorry. Here we have the stock one. This is what we're gonna replace it with. As you can see, it's much larger in diameter in some areas and a lot more smooth, so that airflow will be better. Now it's to assemble. The HKS genuine drop-in hybrid filter, super hybrid filter, which will be replacing this stock one. Nice unit, HKS super hybrid. Alright, so we're finished installing the intake and the drop-in air filter. Gonna put back in our vacuum lines just to make sure that everything runs right. Now just to put back this tube which runs from here to there, and lastly to plug back in the mass airflow sensor, and then reconnect the battery. Alright, and now we have started the engine to make sure that it's running okay.